Hello guys, and welcome back to Jenny's crypto class. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to start mining Voxel Airdrop. Voxel Airdrop is a blockchain-based platform that allows users to create, trade, and earn free 3D Voxel NFT, that is model. This airdrop is a new airdrop in Telegram, and once you look at this project, the way the project is built, you will know that this project is not here for a joke. This is a platform where anyone can bring their idea to life by creating a unique NFTs in form of Voxel models. So you are going to create a model, and you sell that model on the marketplace. You can sell it to other users, or you sell it to turn and have your money instantly. Now the question is, how do you start creating your own model? To create your own model, you have to click over to this section that says start build. Click on start build. Disclaimer: the insights shared in this video is strictly for informative and educative purpose. Please make your personal research before taking any investment decision, or rather consult a financial advice. You will not hold anybody responsible for any financial loss. Now, there are 5 variety level for model. We have the epic, we have the basic, we have the rare, we have the unrare, and we have the gold. Once you click on start build, these are the models you can choose. This particular one you are seeing here is free, the random model. This one is free, and the Voxel you are earning is +2 per hour +2. If you go back to this second one, this one you are going to get Voxel 5+, and this one is also 5+. So you have to choose your model. If I should go to this first one, now let me go for this random model, the free one, and I'm getting +2. Now what you are going to do is to tap on it. So now you are going to build a block. You can see the percentage I have right now is +0.9%. How do you build this block? You just be tapping on any of these places. You can see this thick line that you are seeing, not the faint one. This thick line you are seeing, you need to be touching on the center right here, and be building block. Just watch me closely. I will make sure that this thick line, this white thick line I'm seeing, once it's on the straight line, I'm going to tap on it to build a block. Now watch me do it right away. Now tap on it, tap on the center. Can you see another block has come? You are going to build a block, and this block is what you are going to use to earn NFT that you can sell on the marketplace and get your turn in equivalent. Just build the block. Can you see that my percentage has increased? Yes. Can you see that my percentage has increased? It's now in 7%. So we are going to assemble a block. This is block, or called model. The more you build, your percentage is increasing. Look at it. I'm already now 8.5. So the more you build, the more your percent, and you are getting it. So make sure you build your block. That is the fastest way to earn. So another way you can earn this Voxel token is by clicking on the end session. Look at the end session. Click on the end session. That is another way to build your Voxel coin. Tap on the end. So you have so many tasks here. We have the all, we have the partner. See the all. We have the partners, the socials, the friends, and the last one is what? And the models. So you have to perform all these tasks. These are the models, these are the friends. You have to perform all these tasks. And how do you perform these tasks? If you look at this one, the all, if you look at this particular one, you are going to get, if you do this particular task, you are going to earn 20 Voxel, and you are going to earn 10 star. If you join their Discord, you are going to earn 20 Voxel, and you are going to earn 1 star. If you set Voxel emoji start, you earn 20 Voxel and 2 stars. And these 2 stars here, you can equally swap it, or trade it, or sell it to another person, or you sell it and have your money. How then do you sell it? You have to click over to this place that says wallet. Can you see wallet? Tap on this wallet. So right now, this Voxel it has a price tag already, and the price tag is at 0.001. And here you can decide to withdraw your Voxel that you have, or you exchange it to Ton. Now watch it. If you want to exchange to Ton, you have to exchange to Ton. That means you need to click on this arrow. You need to click on this arrow to choose Voxel first. Choose on Voxel. If you choose on Voxel, because you want to exchange Voxel to Ton, then you come down here to should be now the Ton you want to exchange. So tap on that arrow to click on Ton. Choose Ton. This is if you want, that is if you want to exchange to Ton, and we have a countdown: 1 day, 10 hours, 49 minutes, 20 seconds. That is the time whereby you can exchange your Voxel to Ton and have your Ton on your wallet. So we still have 1 day left for us to be able to exchange. And if you look at this, they say one Voxel is trading as is equivalent to 0.005 Ton. So that is for the swap session. Now, if you want to withdraw, you have to click over to this withdraw right away. Click on withdraw. So if you want to withdraw, the only thing you have to do is to copy your withdrawal address. You can withdraw only Ton token. It's only Ton token. So you have to go to your Ton keeper and copy your receiving address. Come here and paste it. Paste your Ton address, and the minimum withdrawal is 0.1 Ton, and your commission will be 0.005 Ton. That is if you want to withdraw direct to your Ton keeper. So once you paste the address, you click on withdraw right away. Now you can see bag. Tap on the bag. This is another way you can earn more Voxel. So you need an inventory, and this inventory, meet all 3 items in your inventory and get 20 star for each farm collect today. Every 2 to 3 days the combo is changing. So how do you start your inventory? All you have to do is to click on this plus. Now this one, you need to confirm your transaction. This one is free. You are getting this one for free. You are getting this inventory for free. Then tap on it. So I have gotten one inventory, is free. Now if I want to get another inventory that will help me to upgrade my wallet, what you have to do is tap on plus sign again. Right now this particular inventory is going to cost you 0.1 Ton or 35 star. And if you use 0.1 Ton, you are getting 15 inventory. Sorry, you are getting 15 Voxel. If you choose to go for 35 star, you are getting 5 Voxel per hour. So that is if you want to upgrade, but you can decide to use your normal free version and still get some points. Now if you click on marketplace, so this is your marketplace. This is where you buy or where you buy or build a slot. You can buy or sell a slot here, or lot or slot, whichever one. So if you are going for this Franca, this particular slot is going to cost you 2.6 Ton. They say good price, and you are going to get the float for 0.1, and the farming per hour is 676 per hour. In 2 hours, 1,386 in 2 hours. If you decide to go for this first one. If you are going for the second one, which is the post boss, it's going to cost you 2.4 Ton, and the float you are going to get is 0.35, and the farming per hour, what you're getting in hour is 615 in hour. So there are so many slots here for you to choose to make your choice. This is not a financial advice. Make your choice. If you go to Flower Bed, you have to pay 3.203, and you are getting 817 in an hour and 1,675 in 2 hours. So there's a lot of slots here for you to choose. So make your personal decision. Now, if you come over to the friends section, this is where you invite. If you invite friends in level 1, you are going to get 50 4-star and 3-star, and this 3-star you can withdraw it immediately to your wallet. You can withdraw only on Tongue wallet. So I'm going to drop the video, the referral link and the promo code. If you use my promo code, you are going to get enough commission for using my promo code. I'm going to drop it also in the video description and on the comment section. Make sure you start immediately. Start mining immediately. Voxel is not just a platform for creating NFTs. That is model. It is a dynamic and growing community where everyone can earn. And how do you earn? By participating in airdrop and in-game activities. And therefore, doing so, you improve the model with upgrades. So do not just join, be active, stay on top for new opportunity. Build your blog and get rewarded. Invite your friends and you get rewarded. If you use my referral code, you are going to get a promo commission, and that is it. So build your blog and get ready. The more you build your blog, the more NFT, the more you upgrade. So that is it for this video. If you find value in this video, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.